This week on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be taking a recipe from Yankee Magazine's favorite New England recipes. This is the 4th edition, 1977, originally published in 1972. And that doesn't seem that long ago for me. Dating myself again. But this week, we're going to be making steak Cantonese, and we're going to be adding some ingredients, mostly because I'm trying to clean out the refrigerator. Ingredients: a 2-pound round steak cut into 1 by 2-inch strips, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium onion, thin sliced, 2 green peppers washed, seeded, and cut into 2-inch squares, 20 cherry tomatoes halved or 3 medium tomatoes quartered, 1 number 2 can of pineapple chunk, save the juice. That is roughly equivalent to about a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I will be adding 2 carrots thinly sliced, 2 stalks of celery thinly sliced. And I will be dividing this recipe between the skillet and a crock pot. Brown the steak strips in butter in a large skillet. When browned, push to one side and brown lightly the green pepper and the onion. Add to a crock pot. Add ginger, salt, pepper, soy sauce. Add the tomatoes, the pineapple chunks, and the juice from the pineapple can. Carrots, celery, stir well. Cover and cook on low for 3 hours. Now in the original recipe, all of those would have been mixed in the pan and covered tightly and simmered for 45 minutes. Boy, does it look good. Looks good, smells good. What do we have here? Let's see how it goes, how it tastes. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh, just one more taste. And as we say, winner. Well, this was steak Cantonese. We added some ingredients. Added some celery and some carrots. And this is from Yankee Magazine's favorite New England recipes. Copyright 1972. Well, this is the first edition. This is the 4th edition. Be copyright 1977. Another one of Mom's well bookmarked cookbooks.